In a sunny little town, there were two best friends named Lily and Emily. They were inseparable, sharing laughter, secrets, and adventures. Their friendship was a beautiful bond built on trust, support, and kindness. One day, a new student named Max joined their class. Max was shy and struggled to make friends. Lily and Emily noticed his loneliness and decided to extend a hand of friendship. They invited him to join their games, sat with him during lunch, and made him feel included. As the days passed, their friendship grew stronger. Lily, Emily, and Max became an inseparable trio, always there for each other through thick and thin. They celebrated successes together and comforted each other during tough times. One day, a talent show was announced at their school. Lily had a passion for singing, Emily was a talented dancer, and Max loved playing the guitar. They decided to combine their talents and create a special performance. During rehearsals, they faced challenges and disagreements. But instead of letting their differences tear them apart, they communicated openly, listened to each other's ideas, and found compromises. Their friendship grew even stronger through this process of understanding and compromise. On the day of the talent show, Lily, Emily, and Max took the stage with confidence and performed flawlessly. The audience was captivated by their unity and the beautiful harmony they created. Their performance not only won them the first prize but also taught everyone a valuable lesson about the power of friendship. They showed that true friendship is about accepting each other's differences, supporting one another, and working together towards a common goal. From that day forward, Lily, Emily, and Max's friendship became an inspiration to their entire school. They taught others the importance of inclusivity, empathy, and the joy that comes from embracing and celebrating each other's unique qualities. The moral of the story is that true friendship is built on kindness, support, and acceptance. It teaches us to be there for our friends, to value their individuality, and to stand united through both challenges and successes. Lily, Emily, and Max remind us that when we extend a hand of friendship, we create a world filled with love, understanding, and endless possibilities.